Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2013 Ford Mustang V6 Premium. So I'll just run around the back here and we'll have a look at the trunk. So here's the trunk of the vehicle. So it does come with the cover, so when the roof's down, this can go across the back, covering up the roof. So that's there for you. Just close this up. It's got a nice spoiler on the back. We've got a reverse camera. We've got our satellite radio antenna up there on the trunk lid. We've got nice dual exhaust on it, so it looks great. And if you see there on the bumper, we've got the parking sensors as well. So when you're backing up close to something, it will beep at you to let you know how close you are. We've got the sequential LED taillights, so when the car's on, they look great. They're fantastic. And we've got the nice chrome Mustang logo there as well. So I'll come around this side. We'll have a look at the rear passenger wheel. So it looks great, no curb rash, no issues. Nice looking tires on there, Pirellis. So that's great. On the passenger side here, we've got the Mustang kick plate, which is illuminated. Here's your passenger side door panel. So it does have the My color, so it will light up in certain areas of the vehicle with a changeable color. We've got power windows there. We've got power locks here. Have a look at the seat. Seat's in great shape. As you can see, no rips, no tears. Very little wear, if any. And in the back seat here, same thing. Looks great. And just move this back. There we go. We'll have a seat. Have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. Looks good. And we've got books. Perfect. So books are there. We've got a nice aluminum brushed finish on the dash. Nice vents there. Looks good. Just hop out. So we've got heated mirrors. A little convex mirror in the corner there as well. I'll let you have a look down the side. No dents, no scrapes, no scratches. Looks great. Here you are at the passenger front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, and nice Pirelli tires on there. Looks great. So under the hood, there we are. So this is the V6 305 horsepower engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. We've got the strut tower brace there on the top. Everything's in great condition, as you can see, nice and clean under there. So I'll just close the hood and we'll have a look at the top. There you are. So we've got the nice projector HID headlights there. We've got fog lights down below. The bumper's in really good shape. A little tiny bit of scuffing there on the chin strap. Oh, no, I'm wrong. Oh, yeah, no, I am right. Okay, a little bit of, little tiny bit of scratches there. No big deal. In terms of stone chips, this car is pretty clean. That might be one right there. Yeah, a little tiny one right there, which we'll touch up. And no, that'll come off. So other than that, it looks great. Here's your driver's front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues. Nice Pirelli tires. And same thing back here. Looks great. And again, no dings, no dents, no scratches. Looks good. Driver's side. So power windows, power locks, and we've got power mirrors up here. So that's all there for you. And again, heated mirrors as well, and illuminated kick plates. Nice and easy entry again on this side as well. Makes it easy for everybody to get in. And as you can see, the seat's in really good shape. The leather's nice and tight, looks good. We've got power seat down on this side. We've got power lumbar on the front. And I'll just hop in, have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. All right. So over here, we've got automatic headlights, but we also have fog lights. So when I pull that out, fogs are on. And I'll just grab the key and we'll start this one up. Nice rumble to it. We've got 22,071 kilometers on it. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. Let's see here, we've got cruise control. These will control the different options here in the MFI. So we got fuel economy, trip, track apps, So accelerometer, acceleration timer, brake performance. So all those different options are there for you. On this side, we've got Bluetooth and voice control settings. We've got volume and track settings there. Over here, we do have full factory navigation. I'll hit menu. Let's see, voice control, valet mode, and where's home? Oh, down here we've got radio. So if I hit radio, it brings up radio, satellite, AM, FM. If I hit media, it'll run off your phone because it does have the Microsoft Sync system as well. We also have heated seats down here. I'll move this out of the way. We've got dual climate control, so if I change the driver, it changes the temperature there in the corner. If I change the passenger, there it is as well. So that's all there. Automatic transmission shifter. We've got traction control. We've got trunk and four-ways there. Down here we've got the illuminated cup holders, and in here we've got some goodies. We've got the wheel lock key, and some other little bits. Down there we've got USB port. We've got auxiliary in and 12-volt socket. So that's perfect. That's all there. And I'll just hop out and we'll have a look with it running. Let you have a look from the front. There it is with the nice HID headlights. Let you have a look down the side. Looks good. Oh, and almost forgot, we'll put the top up so you can see the top working as well. There it is. And I'm gonna stop it just about here. Undo the locks, and we'll put it down the rest of the way. Perfect. There it is, locked in place. And we'll put the windows up. And the rear windows. There we go. And top's in really good shape. No rips, no tears. Looks good. There it is from back with the top up. There's the nice sequential LED tail lights. Nice and quiet. Good cruising Mustang. There you have it, folks. 2013 Ford Mustang Premium V6 in brilliant white on black leather interior, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.